I am Dr. Indu Kumar from Central Institute of Education Technology, National Council of Educational Research and Training. I am heading Department of ICT and Training Division at Central Institute of Education Technology. It's a very great initiative by All India Council of Robotics and Automation to organize this summit for awards as well as for having panel discussions on different topics. Artificial intelligence is one of the area which is a very upcoming area. In business, we already have known the potential of artificial intelligence, but we are now exploring the potential of artificial intelligence in the field of education. And some of the topics which have been covered in the panel discussions also exploring the potential of artificial intelligence in the field of education, which is very relevant nowadays. We as an academic person are into exploring this field for education to overcome different challenges which we are facing in the field of education. One of the challenges is to bring in technology wherever there are gaps which a regular teacher cannot fill by verbal explanation, and we have to ponder over where artificial intelligence is actually applicable in the field of education. Not that artificial intelligence could be used as technology in a day-to-day teaching learning process for the sake of using it, but we have to see the potential fields where the actual human potential actually brings in gaps to explain a particular concept. So we have to look into a possibility where artificial intelligence is applicable in the field of education. It is not that artificial intelligence is going to replace a teacher, but wherever there are challenges when concepts are not are abstract and are not within the potential of a teacher to explain, the teacher need to bring in this concept. Apart from artificial intelligence, robotics is also a very important field where the concepts of science can be taught very effectively. Teaching using this the potential of robotics and explain the concept in a more concrete manner, bringing learning alive for children and give near to real experience of some of the abstract concept which we are grappling with in the field of education. I'm happy to be a participant in this summit. Thank you so much.